Introducing the 2016 Skoda Octavia Style 1.6 Ti, 110 horsepower DSG in pristine white. This beauty comes fully loaded with luxurious features like air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth phone, and so much more. Safety features abound with ABS, collision avoidance braking, and multiple airbags to keep you protected on the road. With 203,000 kilometers on the clock and a 1.6 litre diesel engine, this car combines power and efficiency effortlessly. Not to mention the sleek chrome package and tinted windows that add a touch of style to your ride. Rest assured, this car has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Call us now or visit mullingarautos.ie for more details.